Hello, my name is Sushi. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 7 years old. I'm 5 years old. I'm happy. I'm from Vietnam. I like pink and I like to draw pictures.
So Anna and Sushi, this round I'm going to play an audio, so you listen carefully and choose the right answer on the screen. Okay, very good. Are you ready? Yes, let's go. Okay, so this is the audio.
The cat is sleeping on the chair. Where is the cat?
Okay, now you can review your answer. Show to the camera. Show to the camera. Where is the cat sleeping? Okay, so the cat is sleeping on the chair, and the right answer is A. So okay, Anna, good job. Coelen. Okay, so the right answer is there. Now listen to the next audio.
It is sunny today. What is the weather like?
Okay, so show your answer to the camera. Okay, that is B. That's the right answer for Anna and Sushi. Okay, so now let's go to question number 3. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. The boy is eating an apple. What is the boy eating? Okay, so show your answer to the camera. Wow. Okay, so the boy is eating an apple. Now, let's look at question number 4. Yes, question number 4. There are 3 pencils on the desk. How many pencils are there? Okay, C. So Sushi had the correct answer. Anna. Okay, so let's go to question number 5. Yes, question number 5.
The girl is drawing a picture. What is the girl doing?
Yes, let's go. Anna, what's the answer? Show to the camera. A, writing. B, drawing. C, singing. Okay. So, A is drawing. Okay. What is the girl doing? The girl is drawing a picture. So, A is writing. B, drawing. C, singing. So what? Drawing. Okay. Very good. Sushi, one more time. All right. Now we are going to move on to the next round. This is the end of the first round. Okay. So this is round 2. So round 2, I'm going to ask you questions about yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. So I'm going to start with Sushi. Okay. Sushi, what's your name?
My name is Sushi.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Wow. And what color do you like?
I like pink.
Wow. And what animal do you like?
I like cat.
Wow. And what food do you like?
I like sausage.
What food? Sausage. Oh, okay. Well done, Sushi. You had 5 out of 5. Anna. Wow. Okay, so Anna, what's your name?
My name is Anna.
Wow. And how old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Wow, 5. Okay. And what color do you like?
I like purple.
Purple. Wow. Okay. Okay. And what animal do you like?
I like cat.
Cats. Okay, that's okay. So, what food do you like? What food do you like? Pizza. Wow. Okay, I like pizza too. Okay. Now, this is a follow-up question. Sushi. Do you like hamburger? Do
Yes.
you like?
Yes. I do.
Yes, I do. Anna, do you like cats?
Yes, I do.
Okay, okay, okay. So, this is another follow-up question. What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
Drawing. Okay. Anna, what's your hobby?
I like
Singing. Can you sing a song? No. But you like singing. Okay, okay. You can sing a song, but you like singing. Yes. Okay, that's interesting. All right. You are going to talk about a picture. Okay. Okay. So you look at the picture, then you talk about it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So let me show you one picture. Okay. So talk about the picture. What can you see?
So children is playing.
Okay, they are playing. What are they playing?
Is playing football.
Yes, they are playing football. Okay, very good. And how is the weather?
Is sunny.
It's sunny. Very good. Is it raining?
No.
No, it isn't. Talk about this picture.
The teacher is talking
Okay. It's talking to the,
to class.
yes, to the students in the classroom. Okay, okay. And how many girls can you see?
I can see 2 girls.
Okay, and how many boys can you see?
I can see 1 boy.
Okay, very good. Now, can you see a bookshelf?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, how many windows can you see?
I can see 1 window.
1 window. Okay, okay. And what is the teacher holding?
Is holding book.
Very good. She's holding a book. Very good. So talk about this picture.
The family eating
Eating.
dinner.
The family is eating dinner. Yes. And what are they eating?
They are
Eating.
eating pasta.
Very good. They are eating pasta. Talk about this picture. What can you see? Tell me some fruits you can see.
I can see watermelon.
Okay. What else?
Apple.
I can see an apple. Okay. What can you see again?
And an orange.
Okay. You can see an orange. Okay. Can you see bananas?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you see pineapples?
Yes, I can.
Okay. And what's the weather like?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Very good. And what fruits do you like?
I like strawberry.
Wow. Do you like apples?
Yes.
Okay. 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 That's nice. Now, talk about this picture. What are they doing?
He's playing
They are,
sand
yeah, they are playing with the
sand.
And what are they making?
A castle.
Okay. Is it rainy?
No,
It
it isn't.
No, it isn't. Very good. What color is the sea?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very good. Very good. That's interesting. And what color is the sky?
It's blue and white.
It's blue and white. Very good. That's interesting. So that's the end of this round. Now, Anna, what color is it?
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. What color is it?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very good. What color is this? Blue.
Blue.
Okay. Very good. What color is it?
It's green.
It's green. Well done. And now, what can you see? What is it? It's a water.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Very good. What is it?
It's carrot.
Carrot. Nice one. What is it?
Apple.
It's an apple. Very good. And what is it?
It's banana.
Banana. What is it?
Pineapple.
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 Very good. Yes, sits nicely. Very good. And let's see. This is the final round, okay? And you are going to read, okay? After reading, teacher will ask question. Okay, very good. So let's go. Start reading. Let's go.
Anna has a red bag. She goes to school by bus. She sits with her friend Mai. They like to draw pictures together.
Very good. They like to draw pictures together. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the buzzers, okay? When I ask question and you want to answer, for example, I ask what color is Anna's bag? Boom. Then you answer. If you answer correctly, it's 1. 1 point. If you answer wrongly, it means -1. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So sit nicely. Very good. Now, I'm reading again. Anna has a red bag. She goes to school by bus. She sits with her friend Mai. They like to draw pictures together. Okay, now question number 1. What color is Anna's bag? Okay.
It's red.
It's red. Very good. What color is Anna's bag? Is
Red.
red. High five. Boom. Okay. How does Anna go to school? How does Anna go to school?
By bus.
By bus. Very good. Anna goes to school by bus. High five. Boom. Okay. Now, who sits with Anna? Yes.
It's her friend Mai.
Her friend Mai. Who sits with Anna? Her friend.
Her friend Mai.
Her friend Mai. Whoa. Okay. Now, the next question. Okay. Let me ask you the next question. You answer true or false. Okay. So number 1, Anna goes to school by car.
False.
False. Okay, very good. Now, Anna likes to draw pictures.
False.
Anna likes to draw pictures, true or false?
Yes.
True, but yes. Okay. Anna's bag is blue.
No.
Yes.
False.
False. Very good. Now, Anna likes to sing.
False.
False. Very good. Anna's friend is called Ling.
False.
False. Very good. Anna sits with her mother, Mai.
Truth.
True. Are you sure? It's false. Anna sits with her friend. not mother. Okay, now
To.
Anna goes to work by bus.
To.
No. Anna goes to school by bus. Very good. Now we are moving on to the last and final round. You are going to write. Okay, you are going to write. So let's go here. Let's go and write. 3, 2, 1, go.